Hi, I'm Mary Nabe, and I am excited to share with you my card using the Love and Courage stamp set for this month's bundle of the month. I'm going to start by inking up this large image with half a flower and words of encouragement on the other side. Then I'm going to use the largest of the circles in the Stylish Shapes dies collection to cut it out. And it really just fits in there pretty perfectly. And then I'll set this aside for a moment, and I'm going to do some more stamping before we put the card together. Now, I have a piece of cardstock that's 4 inches wide, and I cut it exactly the height of this ribbon. So I'm going to give you a tip to make this. What I'm going to do is just use my grid paper and mark off the 4 inches, okay? So you can see this right here is my middle at 2 inches, and then I have another mark 1 inch apart on either side. So I'm going to ink up my stamp at full strength and stamp it right in the center of my white cardstock. Then I'm going to move it over and stamp again above the 1 inch mark, and then also the 3 inch mark. And then I'm going to go on either end, because we know that either end would be another 1 inch mark. Then I'm going to stamp in between, but I want to stamp off. And I could stamp and stamp off, but I wanted to make sure those were spaced nicely at 1 inches apart. So that's why I did that. So I'm going to stamp off and then stamp between each of the Cancer ribbons. So those pencil marks were really just to set the guide for the ribbons I would stamp at full strength, because they're evenly spaced, and then I put the stamped off ribbons in between. So now let's use these pieces to finish off our card. The white stamp strip I'm adhering near the bottom of my card front. So I just have a white card base with a layer of Pretty in Pink. And then I'm going to adhere my circle with a few dimensionals to pop it up. And center that between the left and right sides and the top of the card base and the top of the stamped strip. And then to finish off this card, all I need is a few embellishments. I'm using the adhesive back metallic gems, and I'm using the small, I'll use 2 large and 2 large and 3 small embellishments for a total of 5. So 1, 2, 3, and then another large and small opposite those. And there is my quick and easy card featuring the Love and Courage stamp set. I hope you enjoyed my demonstration, and please be sure to watch all of the demonstrations for the other 15 cards in this Bundle of the Month series.